Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use webline in Spider-Man 2. Now this is very useful when it comes to taking down thugs or a larger network of people, where if you want to use stealth, you can go ahead and use this to your advantage. Now all you need to do is to press the L2 and the triangle button. So when you go ahead and hold the L2 button, you should be able to see this icon right here. And then you can go ahead and point this to any wall. If it goes green, like so, it means that you're able to go ahead and create a web line. So if I press triangle, as you can see, it will go ahead and create a web line for you. Now this is very useful when it comes to doing stealth takedowns on anyone, and you can actually go ahead and create multiple ones together like so. Allowing you to create your network as needed of web lines. And this really depends on how close it is, but if it's, say for example, you're aiming it somewhere too far, you won't be able to create a web line. So it has to be at a limited range. But you can go ahead and create it like this. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.